Alright, welcome back to my channel Education for You. Today I am here with a new lecture, that is issue management. I have mentioned the link of my previous video in the description, you can check it out. So let's get started. In this lecture we will discuss what is issue and issue management 6 stages with examples to clear the doubts of students. First of all, we will discuss what is issue. Issue is non-directional major problem or could be a situation which requires immediate attention. Ultimately, it could have a negative impact on your organization or your project. For example, technical problem in project or maybe material shortages. What is issue management? Issue management is set of activities and business rules need to manage and control the issue. The issue management 6 stages are: the first one is environment scanning and issue identification. The second one is issue analysis, and then issue ranking and priorities. Fourth one is issue resolution strategies, and fifth one is response and implementation, and the last one is issue evaluation and monitoring. The first stage is environment scanning and issue identification. In this stage we check the environment and identify issue. You can see the example: a firm is not meeting the expectations set by board of directors. We scan its environment, and let's say we identified the issue that the firm is suffering loss for last 2-3 years or whatever. The second stage is issue analysis. In second stage we identify the basic problem behind the issue. You can see the example: where to invest more, either in HR, finance, marketing or research and development. The third stage is issue ranking and prioritizing. In third stage, the components of issue or identical problems are ranked according to importance and try to resolve them accordingly. For example, which component will be resolved first, either the fashion or cost of production or the advertising strategies to resolve the issue of loss. Fourth stage is issue resolution strategies. In fourth step, different strategies are made on each identical problem to overcome the issue. You can see the example: which type of machinery to be used, or what kind of technology need to introduce in machinery, or what type of fashion will work better to maximize the profit and reduce the loss. The second last stage is issue response and implementation. In second last stage, those strategies are implemented and checked its response, there is to which extent those strategies are working or not. You can see the example: machinery used to reduce the cost is meeting the expectations or not. If it is meeting the expectations, it is well and good. If it is not meeting the expectations, you can change the strategy. The last stage is issue evaluation and monitoring. In last stage we monitor the strategies and evaluate them, either outcome is increasing or decreasing. It is very much important. You can see the example: if you produced without monitoring, then fashion may outdate or better machinery may be available to meet your objectives set in issue management. So issue evaluation and monitoring is very much important. So there is the end of our lecture. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned and take care.